The Google Pixel 2 is here to demonstrate that two back cameras aren't generally superior to one on a telephone, particularly on the off chance that you support photograph quality over the most recent all-screen plans. We have the photo evidence beneath. It's Google's predominant programming that pushes this Android Aria telephone to snap the most attractive pictures we've seen, topping the camera on a year ago's noteworthy Pixel and Pixel XL make a big appearance. Additionally, the current year's redesign is speedier, water-safe, and adds another approach to call up the Google Assistant. Just crush the telephone's sides to dispatch your new AI pal. It sounds like a trick, yet it's less demanding than incidentally hitting another, Bixby, catch. Watch our plan and screen survey of the Google Pixel 2 arrangement beneath. The Pixel 2, with its 5-inch screen, doesn't resemble the fate of cell phones. Aside from its absence of a 3.5mm earphone jack, you will need a couple of our best Bluetooth earphones for this one. Not at all like the Pixel 2 XL, which has an edge-to-edge 6-inch show and tall 18:9 angle proportion, the Pixel 2 is bezel overwhelming. Obviously, we now know it has more lively hues and no signs, yet, of screen consume in issues like its bigger partner. Contingent upon how the XL screen performs over the long haul, the Pixel may second really be an instance of preferable little over sad. Need something bigger? Look at our Google Pixel 2 XL survey. The bezels won't trouble you in the event that you need a telephone that is an extraordinary size, runs shrewd programming and has an awesome camera that will make your companions, even your Samsung-owning companions, envious. The Pixel 2 is for individuals who support usefulness over design.